Welcome to the advanced BacStalk tutorial on creating multi-channel Kymo and Demographs. So if you would like to know more about making Kymographs or Demographs, please have a look at those two tutorials first. The concept of making multi-channel Kymographs or Demographs is that you first make the single channel Kymographs or Demographs in as many channels as you would like, and then you save those as MATLAB figures, and then you merge all this to a multi-channel Kymograph or Demograph. So now we're going to create a multi-channel Kymograph, but you will understand from this tutorial also how you can make a multi-channel Demograph. For this we are going to use a Hypomonas Neptunium dataset where we have two different fluorescent channels. So we have tagged the replosome with YFP, fused protein, and we have tagged the origin of the chromosome with the CFP tagged protein binding to the origin. So first of all we're going to make the separate Kymographs. So it shows a nice cell already, and we would like to start with the YFP channel, and since this is following replication, at some point the replosome will dissociate and the signal will become weaker, so we would not like to use the intensity normalization. So we just do it like this, and indeed we see the replosome and then dissociation and then new replication starting again from frame 8. So we should save this Kymograph. And now we would like to make a Kymograph in CFP, and here actually there's a lot of bleaching going on and we don't expect otherwise fluctuations in the fluorescence, so we choose for intensity normalization and background subtraction in this case. And we can choose the same color map for this. You will see we'll change the colors afterwards. So we'll also save this one. And now to merge those both Kymographs of the two different channels, which are also indicated here, we go to Tools and create a multi-channel demo or Kymograph. Then we can select our images. So we go for our YFP, and we would like, for intuitive reasons, to display this in yellow, of course. And then we choose our CFP Kymograph too. And let's display this in dark blue. You can even select a third channel, but in this case we don't have this. So we create a multi-channel graph now. And you can see that these are now merged, but actually we're not so happy with the blue background. In this case we can still change. And for that we have to go back to our CFP Kymograph. So here it is. And we have to make use of the MATLAB built-in color map editor. So we go here. And then we change the minimum and maximum. So let's have a look how it would look if we change the minimum. Make it a little bit higher. And then you can see that immediately there's less background. So let's save this one. And let's see how it looks if we make a multi-channel of this one. So instead of this one, the CFP, we go for the CFP with a changed color range and recreate this. And indeed you can see that in this case it looks already nicer and you can follow the signals better.